The earlier we realize it, the earlier every one of we realize it, the better it will become. That Nigeria. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Ah! You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man. The world can be something else.
There is God. Oh.
All the thieves. It's only the Zani that is now a thief.
Chai.
People wrote laws and appropriated the resources of the job people and gave it. Danjuma was given a field. Does Danjuma know the way to that place where he was given a field? He sold part of it for $500 million US. Far part of it. That is not corruption. They are eating and eating and eating and getting fat. So people like Desiani are very stupid and very foolish. When we go to them, they tell us, you have to have capacity. So our people are only qualified to guide pipelines. Look at it now. All of them have left her. She's left famished, hungry, sick on a wet beach. There's nothing to show for it. There's no single Ijaw person among the people that she gave this money to from her own Ijaw land. No single Ijaw person. But it's the Zani's name. They are not calling their brothers who stole the money that they claimed he used to steal the money, that bought the yachts, that built the houses, that are having the foreclosure in the United States, that are having all this. Nobody is talking about them. It is the Zani. We must learn a lesson. You know, one of my cousins like that, his name is Sam David West, Chidiadi. This man, what did he go to prison for? Rich watch and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea, he went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Ha! Our MuMu know too much. Our MuMu know too much. Tam David West, she daddy. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea. You still dey follow Gambari for yard. That's not what we hear. When the issue of Biafra came, Charlie Boy said, it's not in support of Biafra, we are rascals, we are this. 70 years old man. Then tear-gas him. They tear-gas him. He fell. He fainted. He passed out. He passed out. 70 years old man. But when their people came, police with horses, with everything, patrol vehicle, were escorting them. And they were dancing and singing and abusing Charlie Boy. But they say Charlie Boy is our MuMu done too much. Charlie Boy, now your MuMu not too much. You be MuMu. You think say they wise. You are a MuMu man. You are a MuMu man. And then throw the tear gas. If something way bad for issue. We just pray. They say our MuMu done too much, our MuMu done too much. You be MuMu, they call other people MuMu. They never show you say you be MuMu. Nigeria is not for this guy.